Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to add retail customer name and details in printing. To start, go to the configuration menu and open the Sale Multiple Printing configuration window. From here, select the required series. Under Print Options, click to open the header section. Now, go to the Insert Shapes Format option. Choose the rectangle shape and place it in the header area by dragging and adjusting its size as per your requirement. Right-click inside it and choose the option to insert field or text. Here, first enter a suitable label name and then search for the retail customer name field. At this stage, you will be able to see all the available retail customer fields such as customer name, contact number, address, and more. To insert the retail customer name, either double-click on the field or select it and click on the Add Field button. In the same way, you can now define other fields such as the retail customer's contact number. To make adjustments in the text appearance, right-click on the field, select the font option, and then modify the style and size as required. Follow the same process to insert the required field, adjust its placement, and ensure the layout is properly aligned. Once everything is set, save the configuration to finalize the changes. Now, let us check the result. Go to the Sale Bill window and click on Preview. Here, you will notice that the customer details, such as the name and contact number, are now displayed correctly in the bill preview. Next, we will learn how to add the retail customer details fields in the designer printing format. For this, go to the menu bar, click on Continuous Printing, and then select Sales Bill Print Designer and Printing window. Choose the required configuration and the sales bill, and then press Refresh. Open the Design window. Click on Header section. Before inserting the fields, make sure there is enough space available in the header. From the menu bar, click on Table. From the drop-down, click on Insert Row below to add a new row. Enter the label name. Next, go to the Properties menu, which is located in the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, expand the Sale Bill Details table. Inside this section, you will find the Retail Customer Details table, which contains all the fields related to retail customers. Now, locate the Retail Customer Name field, right-click on it, and select Insert to place it into the header table. In the same way, you can also insert other fields such as the customer's address, mobile number, email ID, and more. Once all the required fields are added, you can adjust the font style, size, and formatting as needed to make the bill look clean and professional. After completing these adjustments, don't forget to save the changes. Finally, click on Preview to check the format. As you can see, the retail customer details that we defined in the sale bill are now properly displayed in the bill preview.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.